Hi diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share a Drills and Chills 2020 wrap up. I'm so excited to have finished with a week to spare. Now, if you guys aren't sure what Drills and Chills is, or you're not sure where to find more info, be sure to check out Kim at K Diamond Paints. I'll stick a link to her channel in the description below so that you guys are in the loop on the grand finale and all the things that are coming up, because it's bound to be a lot of fun. Kim, I want to take a moment to just thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking over Drills and Chills this year. When I asked Kim to do this, I had no idea how many of you were going to participate in Drills and Chills. Largely due to Kim's efforts, this event is huge this year, and she has had to manage a lot more than Robin and I managed last year. And honestly, when I asked her, I didn't have any idea in my mind how big this was going to be this year and how big a task I was asking her to undertake. So Kim, I just want to tell you, you've done a phenomenal job with Drills and Chills. Thank you so much for all the time that you put in. And I hope you guys will, if you've been participating as well, hit up Kim's channel and just give her a big thank you, because managing over 1,000 people for Drills and Chills had to be basically a full-time job. So way to go, Kim. You are a superstar. You're amazing. All of you go subscribe to Kim's channel because she deserves every bit of the love we can show her as we wrap up Drills and Chills. So today I'm going to show you the canvas I just finished. Now, if you've been checking out the channel a bit, you know this is not a traditionally Halloween canvas. This is a canvas called Where Stars Come From DIY Moon Shop, and the artist is Jeremiah Morelli. Now, this canvas was sent to me as a launch celebration canvas for Jeremiah's collection at DIY Moon Shop, and it is absolutely beautiful. Spoiler alert, it's fantastic. Now I've got the 50 by 50 with the version 3 special treatment. So I'm gonna show you the whole canvas here in a second. We're gonna take a good long look at it. This canvas came with some really cool things. It came with a guide about how to do the special treatment, and it came with some awesome special drills. Let me show you. I've got plenty of them left, so that's a big perk. So this came with these beautiful star drills that were placed in the tree in this image. And then it came with some maroon AB drills, which I'll show you in action in a second. Some sapphire drills, and I have, as you can see, a ton of those left over. And then some electric diamonds, which are so reflective and beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now you guys, this canvas by itself was fun, but with the special treatment, it was absolutely one of the most fun and creative canvases I've ever done. It is absolutely beautiful, and the guide that came with it is so posh and so polished. If you love the subject matter of this canvas, this is a must-have, 100%. So as you can see, I ended up with a ton of drills left over, absolutely every color, along with some bags that I didn't even open or just minimally opened. So that was incredible, absolutely incredible. The adhesive was perfect. It was a perfect diamond painting experience. So let me flip this over. Let's do the big reveal. I'll show you how it turned out. Now, the best thing about these special treatments is that everyone's canvas is gonna turn out a tiny bit different because they may do their special treatment a little bit differently. So I saw Heike's canvas. She did a very minimal special treatment. I have to say, I kind of went all out on my special treatment. I mean, I had drills left over, so I guess I could have gone even more all out, but this is absolutely beautiful. So I'll take you on a quick tour. Up here we have electric diamonds scattered in the stars. My moon, of course, is electric diamonds, and then my little star diamonds, or my star drills, are hanging from the tree here. And my little owl has one on his staff. Then I have some blue sapphire diamonds sprinkled just in the tree up here, the darkest area of the tree. So I put my sapphire drills on symbol capital E, and I just tried to space them kind of in an equidistant fashion throughout the top of the tree here. And then down at the bottom, where we have our little star nursery, this is where all the stars are cooking before they grow on the tree. This is where I put all of the maroon ABs. So again, just kind of placed in equal distances on symbol, let's see if I can remember. It was on symbol B, color 154. So just kind of spread down at the bottom there. So I know the camera and my harsh overhead lighting is not going to give this the twinkle that it actually has. So I'll be sure to show you some other angles as well. Like I said, the adhesive was perfect. The rendering, I think at a 50 by 50, which is a relatively small canvas actually. A 50 by 50 is really doable. The rendering is beautiful, really beautiful. And with these muted blues, when I look at this piece, I just feel a sense of calm and zen, and it is glorious. I have to say, I really needed this canvas right now. So Jeremiah, huge thanks for this beautiful piece of art. This really helped me through kind of a tough time over the last couple months. And DIY Moon Shop, thanks a million for this canvas and letting me be involved in that launch. DIY Moon Shop is absolutely one of my favorite sellers, and so that was quite an honor to be involved in that. Now, the only issue I had with the canvas at all was that a couple of the symbols when I was kitting up off of the legend here were a little bit difficult to distinguish from each other. Now, I wouldn't say on the canvas they were terribly hard to distinguish. I think it was just maybe the texture of the legend. I'm not positive, but the S and the 8 when I was kitting up were a little bit difficult to tell apart. And then same with the 9 and the lowercase g, which would seem like they look very, very different. And again, on the canvas, they did look very different, but on the legend, it was just a little bit blurred here and there. And so I just used process of elimination basically to try to figure out what was what. That took me about 5 extra minutes. And so that was a very, very minimal issue that I had with this, to be honest. I honestly don't think this canvas could be better or more beautiful in its rendering. It's just absolutely stunning. When I was sprinkling the electric diamonds around, what I tried to do in the dark colors was put an electric diamond on kind of all the light flecks of color around my tree here. And then as I worked, I just sort of stepped back to see what sort of gave a random-ish effect to those electric diamonds so that my stars were kind of scattered around. So my goal was for those to be kind of imperfectly spaced, just like stars would be in real life. Please let me know in the comments below what you're working on for Drills and Chills 2020. I would love to hear. Of course, I've been following the hashtag as well so I can see all of your beautiful work. Huge thanks again to Jeremiah Morelli and DIY Moon Shop for this absolutely magical experience finishing this canvas. It was so much fun. I hope you guys will check it out. Of course, I'll put a link to Jeremiah's website in the description below, along with the link where you can find this canvas at DIY Moon Shop. I hope you have a marvelous week. Be sure to spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.